Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're gonna do some flagstone. So here is a flagstone that we're gonna do today. But before we go into the video, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what we're doing right now. So here it's gonna be a retaining wall right here. This is we have some paver going on right now as well. Finish this side, we just need to put the polymer sand. I still got this section here left. I got a bit of cutting left over here. I have video coming up for this one. Over here we have a column here and a retaining wall over here as well coming up. And this is the brickwork, stonework that I've done. I've done this one a few months back. So here is the brick, just giving you a sneak peek of how it look. Turned out pretty good. This is the side for the stone. This is a Permican stone, and this is a black Brampton brick, and that is a concrete brick made by Brampton as well. This side. Column as well here. So with no further ado, let's dive right into the video, guys. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. So guys, today we have some flagstone here today to do. So basically we're gonna catch our level right now. We're gonna line up to catch our level on our fall, where the guy that we're gonna work with today. Get the nail here. So guys, basically what I'm trying to do right now, I'm trying to catch my level from here down there, so and get the straightness as well. So we're going to run a line from here, go all the way up. That way we get our level and we get the straightness of our flagstone as well. So here I thought my mic was on, guys. I was trying to explain to you guys that it's very important to place your level on
and your flagstone, make sure all the stone, the level is touching all part of the stone, because we already break the wall to the level that we want, to the fall that we want. So we just want to always just run our level right onto the flagstone and make sure all of the flagstone is touching onto the level. I thought my mic was on, but actually my mic wasn't on, and there was a lot of explanation. I was going through a lot of tips that I come across, and oh man, thought that the mic was on, but you know, one of those days. You guys, it's very important to wet your surface. You know, within my opinion, I think the flagstone bond better when you wet your surface before you lay your stone down. Because I mean, if you know the mortar, even though the mortar is wet, but it's very important to wet it before, within my opinion. And normally whenever I take a mark, I usually mark first and then I fit before I put the mortar. That way, because sometimes you make a mark and then the mark is either it's too tight or you know it's too small, and it's in, you see, as you see there, I fit it and then I put my mortar and ready to lay it, because sometimes you may fit it and then you're gonna have to take the mortar off again. So it's very important to place your mortar down, place your flagstone down, and test it to see if the cut is perfect for the fit that you that you had, and then you go ahead and put your mortar down afterwards. So just a look of where we are. And it's very important to try, whenever you're laying your flagstone, to try and keep it clean as possible. Try not to have a whole bunch of mortar all over it. And the way to do that is to clear the side of your flagstone. You know, just use a shovel and draw it at the side as always, and clear the side. So whenever you use your hammer and bang it down, the excess mortar won't go So as you see, guys, I always clear beside my stone once I finish late. This way you help to prevent the mortar to go onto the stone. So we're trying to have as clean as possible, because sometimes the mortar go onto the stone and it can leave a spot. video a thumbs up. So just please give the video a thumbs up. Thank you. And subscribe if you're new here for more video like this one. We have lots of fun over here, guys. And it's very important to wet the back of your stone before you lay them. That helps the stone to bond to the mortar more better.